Hi everyone, hi. Today, Tanya, I've got joining me is Trey, and Trey's going to help me make some pinecone bird feeders. So Trey and I were out walking. We walked under lots of pine trees, didn't we, Trey?
Yeah.
And we picked up some of these, we found these. So Trey's going to have one and I'm going to use another one. So they've got lovely ridges, and in them we're going to put some delicious food for all those birds that come and visit our garden to have something nice to snack on the evening. Now we've got some peanut butter and honey. Trey, which one do you want to make?
The honey.
Honey. So Trey's going to use honey to make his, and I'm going to use some peanut butter. So I'm going to take it out. You use this one, and I'm just going to coat. Oh, we forgot something. Okay, let's put the string on first, because otherwise it's going to get really messy. Okay, so we're going to cut the length of string that we want. You can make it as long as short as you need it to hang. You cut your string, Trey. So I'm going to wrap it around the pine cone, tie a knot, and then weave it in through all the parts of the pine cone, like this, just so it hangs like that. You'll see how we'll hang it later. And I'm just, how are you doing there, Trey?
Yeah.
Trey's going to get on winding his up, and I'm going to start applying my sticky peanut butter. Now, some of you may have an allergy to peanuts, and if you do, Trey's going to show you how we can use honey instead. So I'm going to try not to eat any of this because I absolutely love peanut butter, and it smells gorgeous while I'm doing this. So I don't mind if it gets on my hands a little bit. And there we go. So I've used, so Trey's going to squeeze some honey on his. So mine's gone all the way around. And I'm just going to use some seeds. In here there's sesame seeds and some pine nuts and some sunflower seeds. So I'm just going to tip it over my pine cone. Just really let it get in between all the bits. I've got some here as well. Just use the spoon to really make sure it goes all over. How are we doing, Trey? Are we coating that pine cone?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then it's all stuck on here. I'm just going to let that rest for a little while. Ideally, you should put it in the freezer for a few minutes just so that it sets. But for the purpose of us showing you what to do, so do you want some seeds, Trey? Yeah. So I'm going to put some seeds into Trey's bowl, and he's going to, you can stick them on, use your hands. I think this needs to be a bit longer, Trey. Trey's string's a little bit short to hang, so we're going to extend his a little bit so we'll be able to hang them up somewhere where the birds can eat them. Do you want to use the spoon, Trey, to stick it on?
Okay.
Yeah, and then, or do you want me to extend the string first? So we're going to tie a knot, put the two together to loop, tie, and just wrap this round. Well done, Trey. So he's just going to stick these seeds onto all that honey that he's coated his pine cone in. I might just put a little bit extra on my one as well. Make sure it's completely covered so it's tasty. Oh, we've had lots of robins in the garden this week, and lots of magpies, and every evening about 5 o'clock we get 2 really big wood pigeons. They come in, they have a drink as well, so we want to make some food so they can have it instead. So we can make some snacks as well for them. How are we doing?
Good.
Good. Brilliant. You've covered it nearly all over. You need to hold the string out, otherwise it's a bit sticky, isn't it? Fantastic. Right, should we go and hang them up now?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want, is that enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Soya. They are delicious. Just tie a knot here. Also got a piece of a twig that we picked up while we were walking as well. So that's helped us to hang it up here. Trey's one. Where do you want me to hang it, Trey?
In the middle.
In the middle, that trellis, there's a little gap there, so I'll come around here. Oh, there's a space here for a nice, tasty bird snack. So, thank you for watching our video of how we made our pine cone bird feeders, and hopefully the birds will enjoy it. If I see any birds having a snack, I'll film them, and then you can see if they've enjoyed it or not. So thank you for watching our video.
Bye.
Bye.